Hello and welcome to the fourth part of this video series where I've been redoing all of this garden for this local customer of mine. This video we're going to be focusing on getting the paving done underneath the Oak Pergola you saw me build in the last video. Link to that up here. Right, let's get cracking. First paver is cut, slurry mix on the back, and then we've got a 5:1 mix in the barrow ready to go. Let's get laying. The one job left to do over here on the paved area underneath the pergola that I built is to get the paving slabs pointed and using a 4:1 soft sand to cement mix. I'm going to get them compacted in and do that now. So that's all pointed now. As you can see, I've put the decorative stone around the back before I started pointing it, just so I wouldn't be treading over it again and getting all the dust and sweeping it all off. So that's going to be left to dry now, and yeah, that's this area done. That's it for this video. Join me in the next one, which will be the final part where you'll see me tackling the lawn and the pathway sections. So yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.